maybe education background different in na ke ye sana social media etie socialization na ke wo but na she na amafo and the celebrities so and our real consem we plan train dey beto no be fi na dey beto obi ni kunu ni we na nyasem na beto ni we some say ya dey people it's ya making social media has become somehow also we have also come to the know some of the things on the two are out no a boy and so we've also come to the know of what is actually going on around this world. We have to be cautious about, or we have to be attentive about it's a boy and that aspect also. But in another way also no essential hygiene.
Suku ko anase yento so suku de nim se nka ye bia ye de ekokwaje entitiye ye ko ekokosua nidie kosua se de ye nso so yebetimi ehunu kwan a yebetimi aboye bra ne ye hunu anisode hu na si yetiri ya adwene mu no se de be ya ebetimi abamu ede amaye na dachi bi no ya mama ye kwahwe akwafo ewo wo mayi emu anase wiase afa na nya ne yenso etimi abamfaso ede amaye busua yenuanom eni ebiem so omanya yetimu nanso kamye kwakwa yese enkwada wo mo ekosuku no enye entity ye pabi ena wo mo ekokwagie enye chesesua hu bi ena wo mo ekokosua na emom niema chese enka ade anka wakosuku awia hu ni said this time around no they was settled down for marriage and in relationship no eno ena say die secondary schools junior high schools ne wo mo university crap de ne ko wo mo de de kai wo mo se wo mo de tese wo mo ye maturity eja wo mo epedia mo nanso so no na SHS for any GHS for wo mo ade abo wo mo entu mo ko to dwuma tese wo mo de ko school mu ekokoko sua tese de acheche for no etre wo mo e wo school mu no enya de se efa wo mo anase ekọ wo mo asumefo wo maso echi na eno anu no epi ede ekọ de nti na meka ense we nyina yesem video bi ene de tese ye ni akwa boso busefo eseweni ensese ye ka ede etrewum se enkwada mienu oba no baako bema baako na wo suku dem atese nkrofo ewo honum no wo mani ngu wo mo edwe na tese camera si wo mo so tese wo mo mfere o maboni wudua na tese wo mo gya na be ma ise bio ni sa ehye wo be yase na se wo mo yeden o abusuafo ensim we die menkwa mentimi entna esomato nsa ede afa mi ankasa mi nua ba bi se wo meka ye ho na twetwe enkobo na ansa na no menkuhwe video no ebra yiba yebeto aso. Na abusiafo ekwabroni enetiminsa benkum eso amene no ebetwetwe enkomo no so na dwentwe wo fa ensemi ehone de sese eba ye mabunu ye nuanom yi asuyi wontimi emfamu ntwemu embra emema sumye ntikan wen na yembo ye ensenu ne ma na kwaba enso mini aba mu akwaba
Wejo so mnyam
bibi aboko de
yakopando
ye the crystals me so me ho de na video yi wahu de ekọ eso sese emabunu no de ebo wo mo so ne wo mo ne ya wo mo edan na de na betimi aka de afa video yi
be asewo chest style they look at try
o de style na wo come say
style you can look at try ana shall okay, I'm not sure you but we want to say you want influence
okay
Emma Nkola you be say share social media about and there oba penimu na the body is so come on na we no hu no aduana panty nie na we no ho no de to abacho no ehwa we so what ya say na no boso na then you want my bomb video body sexy
as a bikini then that is already
and then TikTok on snap now they send we send contribute so also I say we are trying to make sure that our children will not come to close to this pornography and this pornographic materials. But in other ways, so we are living in the technology world where most of the things that our children are supposed to learn is on the internet. Say now, classroom, study, the effectiveness of a class, no, are very low. Most parents, no, or say a better textbook, no, but better say children will dive more into their education where omu say the colony have access to phone any computer na nkebeboa na komusu enya kwan etimi asua enyema e attach enyema no mu fie class because they dey be na teacher dey betimi explain things in a way as
so cover a topics
in na say wo ha ebu apply ko otimi fa book no sua enko nje wo yin say enko befa eno ti na parents mu pin no nkomuja phone ema wala anyway nti ba yetimi mbo parents no about so opinion but I am me pay abrofo technology abrofo no o ma ya made in a way say or the phone ema ne bana se ne bana nya 18 years ne a friend is a Gmail account no and na wire no straightforward to the phone the phone ya customize parents ne Gmail account phone so nti akola ne access bibia the parents no ma me no anakpa no what me monitor every baby say nti akola ne have access to pornography ma me ni bewu ana hwe net television abrofo no omutimi the password to television so nti your channels we ha akola ne have access we are there you want to be have access to that particular channel so far as we feel one I just say be now that has been their discipline and their way of life. If we as Ghanaians we are going to copy it and then we should also copy it right. We should also have these kind of things here in the nation. So as I say, until then we shouldn't give access to our children to have parents must say we are trying to help our children. Now more develop more educational more level ne enkoso na bia enya ya entimi fa ya ma entimi ko schools akese ni mu at least baby omo won so omo so betimi match up to the IQ level of the other students in other schools the teacher parents must say but I would wish say they will be able to monitor okola no but ene phones say you pray o de ma okola no kana do Gmail so bra phone ya o go to me set Gmail be 10 so to me use so to me set Gmail at any time until any question but if you na nka yen so your system no it will make things strict so my was a technology now one they are able to make that too but me feel say the system now are able to make so a boy if not so any parents no say na boy ni na no any phones ni we no na yen fa man kola o school ba na be so ya dia computer no wo metenchen ni tie computer ni eni ya face ni wa but maybe I can also monitor from where I am. If you baby what no, mount computer in a way. Kitchen crowd me who ni akola na ye na afi we are passport no pay na them. Ye koda obi akoda na obi akoda. What means sound e ma me hwe.
Would you say be adwuma?
Say parents no what we have strict parents around. Okay. It's we are sad we are depending on who strictness any your relationship with akola and beboa.
Okay. Now, yan share a video no to say a classroom and na ade no elko. Enti as in say ye de ma elko school so wo mo kopini de no na ye. Ana say ye de wo mo elko no mu na e de or however because thinking in school mo de teacher ni wo ho no ma wo say won monitor mo. And as a one she say classroom there and also by classroom and I did we also can we blame the teachers for such acts going on in classrooms Nana?
And capable teachers and so omo echi kakra but anka mame no authorities na wo school no and the way they've scheduled some of their timetable. Once SHS is different from the primary school. Once primary school the JHS no we have class teacher. Iti say teacher ba
channel what say
how
did say sorry be ba chira
iti ono sorry no ono ni free time not class teacher need na class or not so iti ono the class teacher get no marking class one It is a or class for front and also empty. Or empty na say another teacher so or sana kwakoye nti on ubewu class teacher no wo join break kra no ebu ododo na adidi e wo mo classroom wo ha no mo ye mo bibia nti me hu ni say SAS system no in the primary sector no and the certain things like this are mostly not recorded in the primary sector. But uko SHS they different. Teacher tried we are or the staff room. Oh, into on snack class.
Ugo okra what staff now ama exercise on their smart class no
no born komo. And no so I can want a man in you be say and can teach any of her and casadi with ember. And I want say classroom so na akoye say can be go say e ferry say
because
different more so you say maybe phone na be so dey now phone wo it ye bibi say I say careful because we so bet me record but so mo ye dey na say wo say just obi an so timi ye our class o it na akwakoye normal ama nkolai you understand and then to me who say authorities na SHS no so come sisa omunyima mu na be to say primary school where they have their class teachers and ebeboa pa some SHS schools say many school they say na your class teacher but on to that class you understand who say ebisa say mo class teacher one be marke mo register na who class teacher be marke register in time no so how to book of first teacher no be marke we our so ni man so your class teacher but on to that class so take book wo ma class teacher kra ni wo take wo ma wo be try dia books no na dia mo bi na nipa na aso ya book ni di ochi am staff room nti say nyema bi say no e na be bona sa situations we are care be country
ye dey nkomodidi no eba na we ya enesa no me pese me hu say technology say dey see ye penim die ye pese ye nsua mrofo no anase ye nya wo munim die no ebi no gia ye jitu mu anase say dey ye use ye no ebe boye anase be high
technology abeboa but ye human no say dey use adie no and the Emma high. So what I say, it is there to help, but ye misuse no. And Emma is so bonny brea and show and social media is a place where you can interact with people. Okay. Where if you are not the type of bet me I have friends, one-on-one friends with me. Until that is the place for you to interact with people. Have access to certain friends where they almost bet me about if you will be say social media broad idea abrofo enso wo obi anso wo ntimi hwe na ebia I need something to I need a knowledge and you say sika na bibi I need a knowledge or an intuition on something na ebia have seen ntimi nya sa intuition from any of our people la come nya wo access na ebia betimi abo me ebia mu education background different na ke sua de sana ka social media etie socialization ana ke wo but she na amount for and the celebrities for real and our real consem we train there about no be free there about obi ni kunu ni we na nyasam na about ni some say ya na people it's ya na make social media has become somehow also we have also come to the know some of the things on the two are out no aboy and so we've also come to the know of what is actually going on around this world we have to be cautious about or we have to be attentive about it's aboy that aspect also but in another way no so no it's also hygiene. So what I say it's me want to say technology has come to help but it is here human our usage is what is affecting us positively and negatively, meaning depending on the human usage.
Sure. We did not see this next last question and Brandon made them out and now can final words and so absolutely. Is it right say a year as a secondary school or SHS a year say a more access say one it's me be use phone.
And can normal those days back in the days no not yeah ma access to phone sure. So what I say and
by yes to
but me want to say what has made this phone usage increase last year corona system me buy ya say send as education akwa anything be say nkola n betene fie na teachers na atro ma de e bia zoom ni skype ni na e tire ma de ni eno ti na parents ni pin men say sa dia e bi kwa exams kwa mu ye phone so it is sa dia na me to phone Emma Colano, because maybe now Moko school and Meko Juma and I said Meko market. Into me now, and nephew my woman you soon in phone. Oh, it's a sad year. And a mental for my now soon young one. And on I'm outside, but Cecilia, you be school. Moji phone in film plans.
Because me mama ti say school be there one more say I mean say no work ni hu nkro ne benti no o be nya say nkwala ni be nya phone ama je say bi no to phone e de ma o ma ti na because me use say right say aban no be legalize say SHS wo mu use phone na
mama anka aban no kwa so obeto laptop scrap but me hu ne say na me kan no enka be boa. But in a way, so yes, also share the moral aspect of it, where it is affecting our children. You share educational aspects, and then you say a bit more. But you share the moral aspect of it, where it is affecting our children. In Korean, yeah, you call on as well. And those days, the way we were able to maintain, ministers for accuracy for president focus from only no more school no useful. But look at the people they become today. Sure. So what you say is, so our children can still be better without the phone.
Okay.
If these people have been able to make it, and if all of us have been able to make it to get to the standard that we are today, then we should also come to the know, say, indeed, our children can still be better even without the phone. Phone will cry, their mom no cry, no cry, their mom don't lazy so my phone book. I can. So what I say, so yes, I didn't feel they can become better like we have also become.
Okay.
Mama, I do technology.
We there now with the footwear, what edema, no youth far to ja Emma wo.
Ni American say school, go ye ni na school say ye kwa na Nancy some of these people are more outer. They are not. I'm not talking about the highly educated people who are fighting to get a job or money and you want to make one. But make one school dropouts about the case here or country more about problem for I drop it out of the school is because of these actions. And they are who in the school they say or brabwa and they say only parents or beggars so investing in another private school. They bet you to mama. And all of you all went to the school to become better people, I believe. So put your mind to it and become the better person you want to become. The only way you can do so is paying attention to the classroom lectures and also the books that you are given. These kind of activities, no one when I never cool school now walk up with them no I can 9 months. What's the 9 months? 9 months of their answer to your 1 year. This everyone has a parent like there. What we class year back. It's what do mommy and I said best science. Oh, my was come about sign no for calling now after now I shabra on us blue. And most of life is not a race. The fact that life is not a race doesn't mean that you have to pause your own life.
Okay.
Don't do things that will pause your own life. Let's all fight for a better Ghana. And you're fighting for a better Ghana. You are our future. So do the best for us all.
Joe, I was here for said ye me aba a bruni, Eden sem no atu eja no. Now once so what fa enkwade wo ne ye ne esu asese wo mo dan ne die e wo suku mu yi. Den na onso so awofo a wo hwe yen, papa a wo hwe yen, mami a wo hwe yen, niapa a wo hwe yen na bemma. Why den efa esi kire yen. Fa betu eja e wo tuma GH comment section. Na ebiemu so like videos na share e wo all the social media platform so follow yen e wo IG page and your Twitter page or Tuma GH _ Ekeskapa and the Senate Yebasan Eddie Eshia Ebi Makram.